Hi friends, this is Gopal, and through this video, I really would like to share my experience on the 6 days Elementor workshop, and I take this opportunity to thank Jackson brother for giving me this opportunity because he helped me in many ways, and I really want to be very honest. I really want to be very honest, and I want to give a honest review because uh, as an aspirant, we really want to do something meaningful. We really want to help my family, and for people like me, I strongly recommend this course because I have lost money in many ways. In that, learning digital marketing is is one among those ways where I have lost uh, so much of money. Uh, I didn't learn anything through whatever I came across on digital marketing because no one is being real. No one is being real in this digital marketing industry. Not only in digital marketing industry, everywhere. But Jackson brother, the reason why I'm telling Jackson brother is because he gains that respect. He deserves that respect. Uh, I really don't have words to thank him because he has done such amazing work, guys. Trust me, this 6 days Elementor workshop is what we needed before getting enrolled for any digital marketing course. It- I'm not saying that you should not enroll for anywhere, any digital. To You can do anything you want, but before doing anything, please, it's my kind humble request. Please do the 6 days Elementor workshop because uh, I really want to share my experience with you guys. When I enrolled for this 3 months digital marketing workshops, I paid some 30,000 for that 3 months digital marketing workshop. And as usual, even I had that same kind of mindset. Like in 3 months, I'll become a pro in digital marketing. I will be earning in lakhs, like how we see the advertisements in social media. So so that's when I enrolled for this 3 months workshop, and I kept my foot everywhere. First month I learned something, second month I learned something, third month I learned something. That's it. The course got over. 3 months of 3 months course got over. So I applied for the executive levels, the executive level of the designations. I went to an interview, and when the employer the when the panel asked me what did you what do you know about digital marketing, I said uh, like growing our visibility on online. And where did you learn digital marketing? I said that how much how much money do you spend? I told that. And how how many months did you learn digital marketing? What is the course duration? I said 3.5 months. What are the things you learned? I said I learned SEO, I learned content writing, I learned content marketing, I learned Google Ads, I learned Facebook ads, online reputation management, Quora marketing. What else? And everything. I said whatever I learned. Then he asked me, "Oh, really? Okay. Oh, okay. We have an opening for a WordPress developer. I mean, a website designer. I said, I, I, uh, I have a website, because every institute will tell their students that getting a domain and hosting is the first thing you should be knowing. I said, I have a website. Mm, he asked me, how did you build that? I said, through WordPress. Oh, really? Oh, show me your website. I showed my website. It was like a, it was uh, like a plain paper. It was, my website was a plain paper, and I posted something. I've written content on that, but he is not impressed. He did not get impressed on my website, and he asked me, "Why didn't you work out on your website?" I said, "Yesterday also I posted a content," and he said, "It doesn't look impressive," and that's it, guys. And the next thing was. Okay, I decided I'm not going to get this job. So that's how my journey started. So that's when I enrolled. I came to know about the 6 days Elementor Workshop, and trust me, guys, this is the first thing that we should know before entering or before enrolling to any other course. Trust me, guys, this 6 days, this gives a whole value of money. A power packed 6 days will definitely will change life, because I I really want to be very honest, and I really don't want to lose the hard earned money, because Jackson brother, he's someone who I really got inspired by, because the way he clears the doubt, the way he conducts the session, that 2 hours. So it will be like watching a picture, like a Avatar movie. Let's say a KGF, Bahubali, like lots of new things. We don't we will not get diverted in the 2 hours. Trust me, guys. He takes like a from the time when he starts the session till the end. He makes sure that everyone is staying on the same page, and everyone is following his instructions. So it's really uh, a very genuine mentor, uh, where it's very rare to find in this noisy crowd, where very rare to find such person in this crowded market. Because why I'm not exaggerating. Seriously, promise, I'm not exaggerating, because since I want to give a review to this 6 days Elementor Workshop, no, I'm being very honest. And the reason why I'm telling Jackson is a very genuine mentor is because I got enrolled for the 6 days Elementor Workshop, but I didn't start learning. After a week of getting enrolled for this program, the course owner by himself, the course creator, or a product owner, let's say, he texted me asking, Gopal, have you started learning? I was like, what? Because I, as far I have seen, the course the course owners will not have a direct communication with the students. They have their team, and they will be communicating through various mediums. But the course owner here, Jackson, we can talk to Jackson like this. We can talk to Jackson like our own family member, or like just a friend. We can text him directly, and I can ask our doubts. So he asked me whether I started learning or not. I said no. I have got other commitments, and he said start learning and start practicing, and he asked me any doubts if needed. So that was he texted me, and I was really that moment I felt really guilt. How come a course owner asks a student to learn, to start learn, he's actually forcing. He actually makes the student to come out of his comfort zone. And then that was the time I started learning this 6 days Elementor workshop. And mm, from day 1 to day 6, the day 1 starts with the fundamentals. In the day 1 itself, we will get the confidence that we can create any kind of website in the day 1 itself. So the value of the course and the information is providing is beyond the value what I have given, because the value he gives, the information the knowledge he shares is nothing in front of the money which we are going to pay for the course. And I really want to thank again of Jackson brother, and I don't want to be give a boring review, and I as a good friend, as a well-wisher, as a family member, I really recommend this course. I really recommend this course to everyone who really want to start their career in digital marketing. Just start with 6 days Elementor workshop. Definitely, guys, you will never regret. You will really feel that you have taken the right decision at the right time, because I know the pain of losing money. I know the pain of we all earn hard. Nothing comes easy for us. Being in this lower middle, so we know the pain of losing money. It's very, very difficult for us, especially for me, and so this course I highly recommend. I highly recommend this course. Trust me, guys, I swear. For anyone who really want to build his website, who really want to start his online appearance, just go for it. Just go, and you will gain the experience, guys. Gain the experience. I told you, right? It will be like watching a big picture. Lots of insights, lots of information. Sometimes very overwhelming. You will feel that. I'm being very honest, being upfront before getting into. Get prepared, okay? Get prepared mentally. That make sure that you are going to have a different experience that no one in this industry will gives you. Trust me, guys. Just go for it. Just go for it. You will thank me later. You will definitely thank Jackson brother for this. Go for it. And you know what? I'm sorry. The review is getting slightly. It's getting extended because I don't have any script. I didn't prepare any script for this review. The best things about this Elementor 6 days workshop is you will get the pro version, guys. Pro version of Elementor. You will be learning how to use all the elements in the Elementor, like how to use each and every elements. What is I don't want to reveal everything because even I am also practicing now. Everything. What are all the? If you see any website on the web page, after completing the 6 days workshop, you will be in a situation. You will be in a mentality that even you can, like, I can create a better website than this. So you have a pro. You will be having a pro Elementor tool, and what else, guys? What else we need? And we have a mentor like Jackson brother, where you can text him at any time. I don't know. I really don't know at what time he sleeps and what time he wakes up. And even I texted him on 11 o'clock, 11:30. night 11:30. He replies 12:30. During when he replies, I go to my bed. But I don't know really. So that's how the whole community, the way he the way he gives the way he shares the knowledge, the way he guides. Great leader. He's a great leader, and I really inspire him. I really inspire him. Just go for it, guys. Just go for it. Go for the 6 days Elementor workshop, and you will you will know, you will feel the difference. Just go for it. Thank you, guys. Thank you.